Welcome back. My name is Brian George Otieno, and here's the latest in the world of business. County governments are set to receive an additional 53.5 billion shillings for the 2021-2022 fiscal year after the Interbudget and Economic Council approved the new figures. This will raise the total allocations to the 47 counties to 410 billion shillings. On the same breath, the National Treasury has released this year's supplementary budget, which seeks to plug in the budget deficit. The supplementary budget will inject 75.1 billion shillings in the current budget. Majority of these funds will go towards stimulating the economy as well as construction of roads. Let me give you a bit of perspective on that. Now, the roads budget increased by 38 billion shillings. Other winners in the supplementary budget are teachers as well as the National Intelligence Service. TSC will get 7.9 billion shillings, while the National Treasury received 29 billion shillings to drive the economic stimulus program, Poised,